The library will remain open until midnight during exam week. Climate change is affecting weather patterns across the globe. She submitted her assignment just before the deadline. Artificial intelligence is transforming the way businesses operate. The government announced new policies to reduce carbon emissions. Regular exercise improves both physical and mental health. The university offers scholarships to international students. Renewable energy sources are becoming more affordable each year. The meeting has been rescheduled to next Tuesday afternoon. Reading books regularly can improve vocabulary and comprehension. The new policy will affect thousands of employees nationwide. Scientists are developing vaccines for several rare diseases. The company reported a significant increase in annual revenue. Public transportation reduces traffic congestion in large cities. Students must complete their research before the semester ends. The conference will be held virtually this year due to logistics. Effective communication skills are essential in the workplace. The museum recently acquired a rare collection of ancient artifacts. Online learning platforms have grown rapidly since the pandemic. The committee will review all applications by the end of the month. Water scarcity remains a serious issue in many developing countries. The professor explained the theory using a simple diagram. Many companies now offer flexible working hours to employees. The airport introduced new security measures last week. Social media has changed how people communicate with each other. The research team published their findings in a leading journal. Local farmers are adopting sustainable agricultural practices. The City Council approved funding for a new public park. Technology has made remote work more accessible than ever. The hospital is expanding its emergency care facilities. Students should manage their time wisely during examinations. The economy showed signs of recovery in the last quarter. Wildlife conservation efforts have increased over the past decade. The author will host a book signing event next weekend. Employers value candidates with strong problem-solving skills. The bridge construction project is expected to finish by autumn. Cybersecurity has become a top priority for most organizations. The lecture covered the history of modern architecture. Volunteers gathered to clean up the local beach on Sunday. The airline announced changes to its baggage policy. Universities are investing more in digital learning resources. The team worked overtime to meet the project deadline. Health experts recommend drinking plenty of water daily. The festival attracts thousands of visitors every summer. New regulations aim to protect consumer data online. The scholarship covers full tuition and accommodation costs. Urban development has led to a loss of green spaces. The company plans to expand its operations overseas. Teachers play a crucial role in shaping young minds. The report highlights the benefits of a balanced diet.